In this video we will be taking a look at drawing again. This time we will be using the Universal Pen tool. This has been designed so you could use regular pens as you saw me holding there. It's a two-part tool and I will give you a bit of a detailed guide here. So you have the top part and the bottom part. The top part is the pen barrel. The bottom part is the alignment base. The grey at the top of the pen barrel is a locking ring. This helps secure your pen in place while the drawing is happening. And then on the base and on the pen barrel we have alignment guides. This is so that when you put your tool together you can line it up perfectly to get your pen in the right position. Remove the cap from your pen and drop it into the pen barrel. The tip should touch the base. You'll then lift up and turn the locking ring. And then you'll drop it back down in order to lock that pen in place. Once you have that assembled, take out the pen barrel, drop this into your carriage on the Scan and Cut machine and push down the locking lever. We're now ready to draw, so we'll find a pattern to draw. You can load this up from the pre-installed library or indeed from any other source where you can get your designs from. For this example I will choose a word and I will turn the draw fill function on. I'll just move the design a little so it's sure to be sitting on the inside of the paper. I'll then remove the protective cover from my sticky mat and apply a piece of cardstock. Doesn't have to be white cardstock, obviously I'm showing you that here for clear visibility. However, you can use coloured cardstock, really any cardstock that you've got. Don't forget to smooth it down with the back of your spatula. This helps secure it in place while the drawing operation is happening. Load the mat under the rollers of the machine and then press the Load Mat button. Now, from the pattern layout screen, tap OK and then select Draw. This is going to take around 3 minutes to draw, so we press the Start Stop button and off we go. While this is drawing, let me just tell you that you can use a variety of different types of pens. There are some limitations in terms of the width of the barrel and sometimes the shape of the barrel of the pen. The only way to know for sure is to try them out and see how you get on. I will try and do a list in the future of various different pens that are guaranteed to work, but for now there is advice that comes with this tool that you should really take a look at and figure out what you've got already in your collection that will work. So the pattern is building up there and we have the countdown timer to help us see how long we've got. When the machine has finished drawing you will receive a confirmation message. We can then unload our mat and admire our handiwork. And there we can see just a few clicks on the machine and we have a beautifully drawn sentiment.